Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Ruth. See you soon. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, ate. Pasensya ka na, hindi ako makapunta sa birthday mo. Masakit pa kasi yung paa ko. Merry Christmas, happy birthday. Alagaan mo sarili mo. See you on Christmas. I love you. Take care of yourself.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Mama Ruth. Hey. Love you. Eh? Ikaw, Iya? Say happy birthday po.
No. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Ruth.
Hello.
Look here. Happy birthday, Mama Ruth. Aga.
Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Magpalakas ka palalo. At marami pang nagmamahal sa'yo. Marami pang may kailangan sa'yo. Kailangan ka pa nila Joe, ni DK. Kaya magpagaling ka. Iwasan mo na yung mga bawal sa ita. Okay? See you soon. Hindi kami makakauwi ngayon eh. Busy sa trabaho. Next year siguro. Makikita mo na yung mga babies ko. Ingat kayo palagi dyan, ha? Mga problema natin sa buhay, tambayan lang natin yan. Lilipas din yan. Dasal-dasal lang tayo. Okay? Happy birthday, ta. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, manang. Magpagaling ka dyan. Ingat kayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, ate ko. Magpagaling ka para makapasyal ka dito sa Manila. Sama-sama tayo. Ingat ka always. Love you.
Hi, Tita Ruth. Happy birthday. I love you. Pagaling ka.
Ruth, subo ko to pa. Pagaling ka para pag masubukan mo to. Ito pa, pakita mo maggaganito ka pag maggaganito. Happy birthday, Janine Recalo.
I love you.
Hi ma, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi. Hope to see you soon. Next birthday mo, sana makauwi ako. I love you ma, happy birthday.